Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to make and receive phone calls on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let me show you how to make a call from your watch. So we wake up our watch by clicking this home button, or by wake up gesture, or by double tapping on the screen. Now we swipe up to the applications and click on this phone icon. And right here you can see these two buttons, the green one with the number pad and the orange one with your contacts. If you want to call a number which is not in your contacts, right here you can write the number and click on call. Also, you can scroll through your contacts that you have saved on your phone, which is connected with your watches. You can scroll through the contacts by rotating this circle around the screen. Now, let's try to make a call to my friend's John phone, which is right here, the one that you can see. I will click on his name. When I called him before, it's saved in my call history, and I just simply click on it and click on this call icon. And you can see that the call has gotten to the receiver. Then I will end the call and try to accept the call from John's phone on my watch. To accept the call, you just need to simply hold this green phone icon and swipe it up. And the call was accepted. To end the call, just simply click on this ending button. And now, to decline a call, you just need to simply hold the red phone button right here and also swipe it up. And the call will be declined. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.